Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Etsy reviews for your site in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Etsy reviews. Click here on sign up for free and just sign up with Google or Facebook. It's really up to you. And then just write email address here. Now click login, and when you're here, you want to click on applications and right here Etsy. You're gonna see it here, Etsy reviews. Let's create a widget. When you will have it, just write here Etsy URL, layout, change the reviews, layout, etc. Review. And now when you will have it, just click save. When you got it, what you need to do, give me a second. You need to choose between light version, basic, pro, or enterprise. If you're gonna have like 50,000 views or 5,000 views, go with the basic or pro version. If not, go with the light. Also check all the other applications. So let's copy the code here. And let's just add the HTML. No, you know what you should do? Add the layout first. Go with the three columns, so you have it centered in the middle. Take HTML, put it to the middle column. Let's delete the HTML and let's paste here the code. And let's click save. And now here we got it. So what you want to do is, okay, you need to like lower the how many reviews you got. And you can just easily do it like this, and you have it centered to the middle. So this is how you can add some Etsy reviews for your site in BigCommerce. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.